Welcome to Math Online Works video tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to do proportions in the pre-algebra level. Let's say you have an equation that looks like this. Well, it's not really an equation. It's more of a ratio. Now, if it asks you to simplify this, then what you want to do is make these two numbers as low as possible while still maintaining the same ratio. Okay, let's see what these two can be divided by. It looks like they can be both divided by 5, so let's do that. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. And that's as low as it can get. Alright, let's do something harder. Let's say you have a word problem that's arranged something like this. You travel 165 miles in 5 hours. How much did you travel in 2 hours? Okay, let's set up this proportions equation in something like this. Alright, the top of the fraction will be miles, and the bottom of the fraction will be hours. Now, let's see. The first part says you travel 165 miles in 5 hours. Alright, the miles goes on top and the hours goes on bottom. Now, I ask you, how much did you travel in 2 hours? Okay, remember that the hours are on bottom, and on top you do not know. This is what you're trying to find for, how much you traveled in that 2 hours. So you set these both equal to each other. Now, first, let's cross multiply. We cross multiply 5 and x together on the left side of the equation to form 5x equals, and then we multiply these two together, 165 times 2. Now, let's calculate what 165 times 2 is. 165 times 2 is 330. Now, we want to get x by itself, so remember, in order to do that, we have to divide both sides by what this thing is, which is 5. So dividing both sides by 5, we should get x equals, now take some time to enter in what's 330 divided by 5 in the calculator. That should be 66. And that's the answer.